English peas that we harvested and freeze dried in February of 2021. This is what they look like coming out of the package. I'm fixing to put them in some water. I'm gonna cover them in water, and then we're going to cook them because these are fresh English peas. They're quickly absorbing water and turning back into an English pea really quickly. I've got extra water in there. We're gonna cook them just like I would an English pea, or a green pea as a lot of people call it, and see how they taste. All right, the ultimate taste tester. What do you think about those English peas?
Tastes like English peas to me. I mean, I can't tell. I don't know anything about them. I mean, I just know that they taste just like they always do.
Do they taste like canned, fresh, freezer? What do you think?
They're not as mushy and soft as canned ones. They still have a touch of a firmness to them. The taste is phenomenal. They're not mushy. They have more texture to them. I like that. I like it.
So you ruled out canned peas, so where do you think those came from? My high tunnel? Fresh?
I don't think. No, they're not fresh. They're real close to it.
All right, that leaves freezer or freeze dried.
And I don't think they're freezer. To be honest with you, they have the texture of a fresh pea, like eating it in a green salad. You know, like if you're eating fresh ones in a salad. That's what it reminds me of.
So those were freeze dried in February of 21.
Wow. I would have not known. I mean, they're almost like eating a raw, fresh English pea. I mean, that's what they're like to me.
So you think my freeze-dried English peas is a thumbs up?
Oh yeah, yes. This is better than canned any day. Any day.